Join me as I dive deep into the mindset of billionaire businessmen and try to uncover what really makes them tick. When we think of billionaire businessmen, we often imagine a life of luxury, wealth, and success. But have you ever wondered what drives these individuals to achieve such incredible heights? What is it about their mindset, their habits, and their strategies that sets them apart from the rest of us? One of the biggest misconceptions about billionaires is that they're all somehow born with a silver spoon in their mouth or that they got lucky. But the truth is, most billionaires have worked extremely hard to get where they are, and they've faced their fair share of challenges along the way. Many of them have even experienced bankruptcy, failure, and rejection before finally achieving their breakout success. Another myth is that billionaires are somehow superhuman, with an insatiable appetite for risk and a willingness to bet the farm on their next big idea. While it's true that many billionaires are risk takers, they're also highly calculating and strategic in their decision-making processes. They're not reckless gamblers, they're more like extreme optimizers who know how to mitigate risk and maximize reward. We often assume that billionaires are all about the money, that their sole motivation is to accumulate wealth and power. But the reality is that many billionaires are driven by a desire to make a meaningful impact on the world, to leave a lasting legacy, or to solve some of the world's biggest problems. They're not just in it for the Benjamins, they're in it to make a difference. Of course, there's also the myth that billionaires are somehow inherently smarter or more talented than everyone else. But the truth is, most billionaires are simply more dedicated, more persistent, and more willing to put in the hard work required to achieve their goals. They're not geniuses, they're just extremely focused and driven individuals who know how to execute. So, what are some of the key habits and traits that distinguish billionaire businessmen from others? For one, they're all about innovation and disruption. They're not afraid to challenge the status quo, to think outside the box, and to push the boundaries of what's possible. They're also master networkers who know how to build relationships, form alliances, and leverage their connections to get ahead. Billionaire businessmen are also notorious for their willingness to take calculated risks, to push themselves outside their comfort zones, and to experiment with new ideas and strategies. They're not afraid to fail, they're more afraid of not trying at all. And above all, they're driven by an insatiable curiosity, a passion for learning, and a commitment to continuous improvement. As Warren Buffett once said, "Price is what you pay. Value is what you get." This quote really encapsulates the essence of what drives billionaire businessmen. They're not just looking for a good deal, they're looking for value, for substance, for something that will truly make a difference. In the end, what drives billionaire businessmen is not just about the money, it's about the freedom, the autonomy, and the sense of fulfillment that comes with building something truly remarkable. It's about leaving a legacy, making a dent in the universe, and creating something that will outlast them. To recap, what makes billionaire businessmen tick is not just about their wealth or their success, it's about their mindset, their habits, and their strategies. It's about their willingness to take risks, to innovate, and to network. It's about their passion for learning, their commitment to continuous improvement, and their drive to make a meaningful impact on the world. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the mindset of billionaire businessmen. If you have any thoughts on what drives success, please share them in the comments below. And don't forget to check out another one of my videos for more insights on how to achieve your goals and live a more fulfilling life.